Social media is the most powerful form of marketing ever created. Why is that? To understand the power of social media marketing, we need to take a look at how the world used to communicate over the years. The first significant invention that changed how society communicates started in 1792 when the telegraph was invented. People could deliver messages faster than a horse for the first time in human history. Although the telegraph didn't allow longer messages, this was a revolutionary invention in the way people exchange information. In 1890, almost 100 years later, this technology became more advanced and the telephone and the radio were invented. We still use the radio and the phone today, but that technology evolved over the years. In 1927, television was created and it started hitting the mass market. Then around this time, technology started advancing rapidly, and in 1940, the first computers were invented. In the 60s, the very first form of internet was invented, and around this time, the email came to the scene. By the 80s, computers started to become more popular and communication became more sophisticated because it allowed people to send instant messages and chat. The first smartphone dates back to 1994. It's the IBM Simon, and this technology became more advanced years later. In the early 2000s, smartphones started hitting the mass market. Smartphones combine all the communication technology invented so far, allowing people to connect quickly and efficiently. In 2003, the very first Android phone was released, and years later, in 2007, the iPhone was announced. After the invention of the smartphone, social media websites began to explode in popularity. MySpace and LinkedIn gained popularity in the early 2000s, and in 2005, YouTube was invented. By 2006, Facebook and Twitter had become very popular. Today, 6.6 billion in the world use smartphones, which means that 83% of the world's population owns a smartphone. The smartphone is the first technology that puts the TV, the radio, the newspaper, the phone, and the camera in one simple, affordable device. Social media allows us to send messages, pictures, and videos, but it's much more powerful than TV and radio. It's much more powerful because our friends and family use it. Right now, it's hard to tell the difference between social media and reality. What's on social media seems much more real than things happening in the real world. I spend much more time communicating on social media with my friends than I see them in real life. If somebody publishes an update about their life, I truly believe this update to be 100% true without any doubt. I believe that everybody will be honest just because it's social media and my friends are there. Right now, generations are growing up with smartphones and social media. I truly believe it, and I think it's gonna be even harder for them to tell what's social media and what's real. Social media is powerful because it's authentic. People go there to share vulnerable stories, and at some moments, social media seems more real than anything happening in my life. Right now, YouTube and TikTok are the new television. Facebook and Twitter are the new newspapers, and Spotify and podcasts are the new radio. But social media is powerful because it seems real and gives everybody a chance to share their opinion within a matter of few clicks. People are starting a 7-figure businesses from their bedrooms thanks to social media. Right now, I feel like for the first time, internet celebrities are becoming more famous than Hollywood celebrities. When I go out with my friends, we don't talk about sport or movies anymore. We just talk about what's happening on social media. Social media allows everybody to express opinions, share content, or promote products. Social media is one of the few mediums where businesses can receive real-time feedback about the pulling power of their recent marketing campaigns. Now, let me explain the most common ways to promote your business before social media. Mainly, you can advertise on TV or radio or give away flyers. Today, you can do blogging, podcasting, TikTok and YouTube. You can run ads on Facebook and YouTube, and all of your potential clients will give you real-time feedback about how you're doing along the way. If you share promotional material on Facebook, your Facebook page followers will tell you in the comments if they like it or not. The algorithms will tell you if your content or ads are good enough. You have metrics in your social media accounts that measure the effectiveness of your social media marketing campaigns. You can see if people watch your videos to the end, if they like your posts. Right now, even a kid can tell you if your social media marketing is performing well. But I truly believe that many businesses make the mistake of using social media too formally. I think I see that a lot on LinkedIn. Whenever I use LinkedIn, I feel like I'm at a super important meeting. Everybody is super formal. People are dressed formally on their profile pictures. They use formal language, and I get it. But I think social media at its core is about vulnerability and authenticity. When people browse social media, they'll see your social media marketing campaigns between their friends and family posts. There is this term, user-generated content. That's the content created by random people that you can use as marketing materials. User-generated content is powerful because it fits the medium. It's so powerful because it's not fancy. People are allergic to fancy content because fancy content looks like an advertisement, and people hate advertisements. Don't do fancy on social media, do authentic. That's how you tap into the power of social media marketing. Now, if you want to tap into the real power of your social media marketing, please subscribe to my channel. I have many more interesting social media marketing videos coming along your way. My name is Nico. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.